your visa got rejected because of immigrant intent. What's next? If you apply for US B or F visa, those two kinds of visa specifically ask the applicants have no immigrant intent. But if your visa was rejected because of 214B, it means you showed your immigrant intention, so your visa was rejected. There is no way for you to appeal or ask for reconsideration of this visa application. The only way is to prepare well and submit another visa application and present it to the officer that you actually meet the non-immigrant intent requirement. But how to prepare an adequate and sufficient evidence to prove your non-immigrant intent? So non-immigrant intention needs to show your tie with your home country. The stronger the tie is, the more possible you are going to get the visa. But how to show that? If you have a strong tie with your home country, usually you will have family members, you will have assets, you have job, high income, and a good savings and good financial status. So those ties will help you to build up evidence, say, I'm not going to overstay my visa in the US, I will go back to my home country. But how do you prove that? If you have spouse, kids, or parents in your home country, great. But if I'm single, does that mean I will be rejected my visa automatically? No, not at all. It depends on how the total picture shows to the visa officer. We're talking about your tie. If any of the tie that you don't have it, don't worry about it. If you can show stronger tie on other aspect, you still possible to get the visa. For example, if you are single, if you apply for F visa to the United States to participate in undergraduate or graduate school, it is normal for somebody who is single and who are pursuing their degree. So single actually is not a negative impact to your F visa application. But at the same time, you need to prepare that you have your parents in your home country, you have a place to live if you go back to your home country, and you have your study and a career plan that after you finish your study in the US, do you have a plan to go back to your home country to work? So those kind of information will be very helpful for you to prove that you're non-immigrant intended in the United States. And if you don't have assets, don't have a lot of money, but you have potential employer in your home country that will offer you a job after you finish your study, you still have a very strong tie. So the whole review of your immigrant intent is a discretionary determination made by the officer. So that's why we need to present a strong evidence to prove your tie with your home country. And another fact is also very important. During the interview, you need to be honest, very confident, and answer the question with adequate and precise response. So all this add together, hopefully you could get your visa next time. Thank you.